Hi everyone, this is Dr. K.J. Sunmista, Assistant Professor of Commerce from the Standard Fireworks Rajaratnam College for Women, Sivakasi. In entrepreneurial development, feasibility analysis is a wonderful topic plus interesting topic that every entrepreneur should know. By this video lesson, let us understand what is feasibility analysis and its importance and what are the various types or components of feasibility analysis. First, let us understand what is feasibility analysis. Entrepreneurship involves risk as well as opportunities. Feasibility analysis is the process of evaluating whether a business is practically viable and profitable. When it is to be conducted, that's what we are going to see now. Feasibility analysis can be conducted when we launch a new business or adding a new product to compete our enemy, that is the rival. And when a new project is to be implemented, before that we have to assess its potentiality. We have to assess the viability of the new products or branches. So, before investing in any new plan, we have to conduct the feasibility study. What are the types of feasibility studies? Technical feasibility, market feasibility, organizational feasibility, financial feasibility. These are to be learnt one by one. First, let us see to what is marketing feasibility. First, the entrepreneur has to identify the target customers, the estimated size of the market, and who are all the competitors who are involved in that particular product. The customer behavior is to be analyzed. Scientifically, it is to be tested based on primary data or secondary data. So, without conducting the marketing feasibility, one should not enter into the business. The next type of feasibility to be studied is technical feasibility. The businesses nowadays involves several technology, whether the available infrastructure is adequate, whether because of using that technology we will be able to use the resources in an optimum way, whether security and legal compliance is there in that project. Risk should be assessed. Prototyping refers to preparing the models based on the available technology. So, only after conducting technical feasibility, and if the entrepreneur is satisfied with the technical feasibility of the project, then only he has to proceed to the next step. The next feasibility to be analyzed is the financial feasibility. The initial investment cost should be measured. The operating expenses should be estimated. How much will be the income? What is the break-even point? That are all to be analyzed by the entrepreneur. Cash inflow and cash outflows needs to be studied. And finally, return on investment, that is the profitability analysis, should be carried out by the entrepreneur. If he is satisfied with the results of the feasibility of financial condition, then he can proceed to execute his project. The final feasibility study that an entrepreneur has to conduct is the organizational feasibility. It is to evaluate the management team's ability and expertise to bring the plan into action. Other than the financial resources, the most important resource for an organization is its skilled labor and its facilities. So, the strategic partnership that exists between the various departments needs to be analyzed before entering into that business. So, organizational feasibility is to be conducted by the entrepreneur before entering into the business. So, when you want to become a successful entrepreneur, have a glance at this feasibility analysis and start your business, and till that it is me signing off. Thank you.